Alright, I believe stream is up. This is a very sudden stream and a very short one. Just gonna post about it first. There we go. All right. I hope the sound is okay. I actually started streaming almost in a hurry, so I haven't really finished the coffee yet. So I only have water now. Okay. Let's see, where were we? I think we were at adding the switch option. Fight. Whip. Yeah. This looks familiar. All right. So, to get back to the logic, first we have the initial choice, and if you click on fight, you go to case 1 where it's move choice, and if you click on a move, it goes to phase 10, which is the combat phase. We're gonna add case 2. Switch choice, maybe. And that has to be its own class. CH in a row. That looks crazy. We're gonna need the library. Hello, viewer. Let's see. Switch choice. I think I'm going to look at move choice when making this. We have different buttons. And we're gonna add buttons for this too. Kind of. I don't think I'm gonna call them buttons. we will need another class again for the Heromon selector. I even think I called this the Heromon selector in my previous project. And the Heromon selector is, it's kind of, it's the thing you see when you choose which Heromon to switch into. So you will see like a miniature figure of a Heromon and its HP and stuff. So you know which one you're gonna switch into. It needs I think it's gonna have to be public int ID. I haven't really made up my mind of how big the team should be in Heromon. Is 6 too many like it's in Pokemon? Or is it too few? I think it can't be too few. Maybe 6 is too many even. A team of 5. That would make double battles pretty weird. Well, maybe not. But how would a design look? Just brainstorming. Let's see. I just want to imagine what the screen is gonna look like when you switch between your different Heromon. No feel, yeah. Okay. So there's gonna be a frame and for example this looks so bad. Yeah, you get it. It's yellow, green. It's the one I'm using in the example. So it's gonna be a miniature version. Oh, this looks really bad. More like this. And oh, there we go. And like 5 out of 10 HP. Elect, is it with S or Z? Alexis? I think it's S. It's the name. Oh my god, I can't even remember the name of my Heromon. I think it's gonna be health bar instead of 5 out of 10. Or maybe both. We'll see. Elect as... maybe like this. And level 5. Can't grab it. Let's do it like this then. Okay, something like that. And oh, that didn't turn out the way I wanted. Anyways, this is kind of what I imagine. And if I have more of them, so if it was this, the basic Pokemon format, it could be like this. Six of them. But if I only want 5... Oh, I know. So I could do like this. And write. Oh. That was shitty. Oh well. Active. And like a separator, so that you know that, oh, this one is the actual active Heromon right now. Maybe even have a slightly darker tone for this side. And then you have the ones that aren't active at the moment. I think this is a good setup. I think this works fine. I think this is what I want to go with, actually. I like it. I'm going to obviously make it look cooler when it's a finished product, but it's probably gonna look like this in an alpha state. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like this. Anyways, let's see. I'm gonna save that image. Okay. So now we have illustrated what we're gonna make. This is going to need a private texture 2D. Hold on. Okay. Texture 2D and miniature and private texture 2D frame. Private rectangle box. Let's make the Heromon selector. We're gonna need to give it the ID when we create it. Let's see. Do we need to give it something else? I think we need to give it that. It's going to need I think this is right. Oh my god, what did I do? Alright. So ID equals HID. Sounds very bad. And HeroMon equals HMon. We're gonna need Content Manager CM. So that textures HeroMon play around. Oh. I think I'm going to need a folder called selector. Oh, wait. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I call them small. Okay. Because I made those before. It's, they're animated kind of. So it's 2 different frames. So it's jumping up and down. Let's see. Okay. Now that we have the content manager, we can say that miniature is cm.load texture 2D textures HeroMon selector and small underline plus HeroMon.name. What? Don't I have name? Really? I'm gonna need that anyways. Plus... No. That's stupid of me. Small HeroMon underline and then plus HeroMon.id or something. I'm going to need to look at the HeroMon class and see. We have the HeroMon ID, which should be public information then. There we go. Okay. And the frame, I'm going to see if I have a picture of a frame already. Oh, I don't. It's gonna have to be like... Oh, how big does it have to be? Maybe 200... Is that too big? So... This big? No, that can't be too big. Maybe even bigger. Like... let's give it 250. Yeah, that's good. Oh my god, is it hailing? Huh, it's hailing outside. Gonna need fill color, solid color rather. There we go. And how thick it is? Oh, right, doesn't matter. Four. Something like that. A little bit darker. There. And we take the lighter one again. Oh, maybe not. This one. There. I want to create a frame that looks okay. Kind of like a frame for a painting. There. And then I want this color. Perfect. All right, that's exactly what I wanted. Let's go back to the program. I'm just gonna save this image. Call it frame. And I guess it's going under UI. There, okay. Frame equals cm.load texture 2D textures UI frame. That should be it. Let's see what happened here. Oh. Public. Let's make the draw function. I just want to see it in front of me before I continue, I think. Before I make any logic. So that I know that it works somehow or in some way. sb.draw. So we're gonna need it's gonna be based on the frame. And box, I'm gonna have to set the box as well. And here we're gonna need the miniature. It's gonna have a new rectangle. Wait. I think I'm gonna use some other... So I'm gonna need to... Let's see, rectangle, destination rectangle, and source rectangle. I think I need something else. This one, I think. Or... Yeah. New vector 2. And it's gonna be box.x plus 25, I believe. Yeah, plus 25. And box.y plus maybe 5. Let's see what it looks like later. We're gonna obviously have to change a lot around. New rectangle. And this is gonna be... I think this is gonna be... which part of the image it's gonna paint. So it's gonna have to be 0, 0. Wait. Private int. Let's call it iterator, and it's gonna be iterator times box x box.x. And no, that's gonna have to be 0 every time. It's because how this animation is gonna go. So it's gonna hop between these two images. That's why the Y doesn't change, because it doesn't go in the Y axis, but it has to go from left to right. I forgot how big it is. 300 and 150. Oh, so it's 150, 150. Okay. For each image displayed. Okay. Oh. I want to add the logic as well. Just a little bit of animation update. It iterator plus plus. If iterator if iterator is bigger than 1, then iterator equals 0. So it's gonna loop between 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Oh, this is really bad. I'm gonna need a timer as well. Timer plus plus. And if timer is equal to or bigger than 30 maybe, let's say, then everything happens there and timer equals 0. So it's not gonna spam its animation. It's gonna go 30 frames before each animation. Gonna see how that works. One moment. Right. Okay. I was just checking Twitter. Let's see. Yeah, so we're gonna need to set the timer to 0 and iterator to 0. We're gonna need to define the box. And also, I don't know, is it private? Let's call it private at first. Private bool active. I think it's gonna have to be public, I'm sure. And if active equals true, and we're gonna set bool set this. Okay. Either that, or I do it like this. Maybe. If active is true, then box equals new rectangle at maybe 100 and 280, just random numbers at this point. Frame dot width and frame dot height. Else It's a tough one. How do I know which one is active? This system complicates it a bit. You know what? Let's not give it this bool. Let's see what we can do without it. And just say that if ID equals 0 and else. No. I'm gonna have to do a switch ID. Case 0, case 1, case 2. I really like that M. Case 3, case vase. I think this is better. More logical somehow. New rectangle. New rectangle, maybe at 500 or 480 or something. Frame dot width, frame dot height. I got a message. Oh, I'm gonna have to quit the stream very soon. Very, very, very soon. And maybe 780, 100, frame dot width, frame dot height. Box equals new rectangle and 480 and 400 maybe. Frame dot width, frame dot height. Box equals new rectangle 780 and 400. Frame dot width, frame dot height. At least we have defined the box now, hopefully. So we've created a Hieromon selector, and we're gonna need, are we gonna make a list? List Hieromon selector Hero select. Hero selector list. Does that sound any good? Hero is kind of implied. Selector list maybe. Let's just make it an empty constructor at first. Public void draw sprite batch sb sb.draw, and I can't do that right now. Switch choice is gonna need team, private team, the team, or player team. I think this is right. We need the... I think I'm gonna put this one here. Switch choice. And let's put it here. Switch choice equals new switch choice. Team 1. I'm definitely gonna need the CM as well. Switch choice dot update. Yep. And case 2 switch choice dot draw sb. And update. All right, no errors. No errors. Draw. And that's gonna have to be drawn in a for loop. Or maybe for each? Hero mon selector in selector list, I think I can do. Oh. HS. I'm probably getting visitor now. Draw this. Let's stop here for now, and I want to wish you all a great day. Goodbye.